Welcome to the MERTS Political Party Committee Setup Training. After the software is launched, a window will appear asking, "Would you like to?" and will offer a list of options. To begin setting up the committee, select Create a New Committee File. Please note this should only be selected if this is a new committee filing for the first time, the committee has lost its previous file and needs to start over, or is switching from paper to electronic format. Select the proper committee type from the Filer Type window. In the next window, you must confirm you understand the terms of creating a new file by clicking once to add a check mark. Then proceed by clicking on I understand and wish to continue with starting a new committee file to continue with the committee setup. If you have already created a file, exit the screen by clicking the I wish to exit and locate my previous filing option and locate the file from its stored location. A message window will appear asking to enter the committee information. Select OK to continue. Replace the My Committee name with the name of your committee. Enter the committee ID number provided by the Bureau of Elections office. Then continue with adding the committee's address information. Select the county if applicable. Select OK to save and exit. Select OK to start entering the report information. If unsure about the coverage dates, select the Get Report Coverage Dates Here link for further details. Enter the date from, the date through, and select the appropriate report from the drop-down menu. The dissolution date field should remain empty unless the committee is wishing to dissolve the committee with this report. Select OK to continue. Now that the committee is set up, the next step is to either start entering transactions by selecting the Enter Transactions option or by entering individuals or organizations add names. Select Enter the name of the treasurer for your committee. A message window will appear with quick instructions on entering a name. Select OK to continue. Select a new item icon on the toolbar to create a new name record. Enter the last name of the treasurer. Enter the first name of the treasurer, and select Individual from the Type drop-down menu. Continue by entering the treasurer's mailing address. Enter the employer information for the treasurer by selecting the Add New Name button. A new name information window will appear. Enter the employer name. The type will default to Other Entity. Enter the address information. Select OK to save and exit the entry window. This will return you back to the treasurer's name window. You should now see the name of the employer listed. Enter the occupation in the occupation field. Select OK to save and exit the entry window. The committee is set up and should now be saved. To save the file, select the Save icon on the toolbar. The file name will automatically default to mi_dcf.mi_dcf. Replace the default name and rename it specific to your committee. For example, Michigan Political Party Committee File. This file can be saved on a PC and/or laptop hard drive. Be sure to always back up the file externally for safekeeping. It is recommended that the files not be saved on a network drive. The committee file is now saved and ready to use. For additional assistance, visit the MERTS website at www.mertsplus.com. Thank you.